Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the lower ball joint on Audi Q3. It's kind of the same for most Audis, Volkswagen, Seats, Skodas with the similar suspension. The ball joint is held by one nut on top and 3 nuts on the bottom. First we start by removing the nut on the There is not enough space to remove the nut the whole way because the CV joint is on the way, so we'll just push the ball joint down and then we'll remove the nut completely. If it doesn't want to come down, we can hammer it a little bit. I'm using an air hammer to hammer. And it's down. Now we can remove the nut. First though, we'll remove the 3 nuts on the bottom and then we'll remove the nut. If the nut doesn't want to turn, we can use locking pliers to remove. With the locking pliers, I'm gonna lock the ball joint underneath so it doesn't turn when I try to turn the. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And that's it, the nut is out and the ball joint is out. Now we can put on the new ball. We assemble everything in the reverse order and that's it. to be able to tighten the nut on top, we can use a transmission jack to lift the control arm up so that the ball joint gets sticking on.